For the ultimate car washing experience, choose the AMSOIL Foam Cannon. The AMSOIL Foam Cannon is built with premium components and designed to last. The foam cannon includes a 35-ounce capacity reservoir, a sprayer built with stainless fittings, a 1/4-inch quick connect for your standard pressure washer, and a hose tube. For optimum results, mix 2 ounces of AMSOIL High Foam Car Shampoo with fresh or deionized water in the AMSOIL Foam Cannon reservoir. Remove the pressure washer nozzle and attach the foam cannon. Ensure proper connection to your pressure washer wand before proceeding. The AMSOIL Foam Cannon features an adjustable 360-degree spray pattern. Adjust the soap dilution ratio by turning the valve located on top of the nozzle. Adjust the spray pattern by twisting the gray end of the nozzle. Adjust the spray orientation by twisting the black section of the nozzle. To apply foam, spray the entire vehicle in sweeping motions until full coverage is achieved. Allow the foam to lift and carry contaminants away. For the best results, gently scrub with the AMSOIL Wash Mitt. Work around your vehicle from top to bottom. Safely remove the foam cannon from the pressure washer wand and reattach the rinsing nozzle. Fully rinse the vehicle from top to bottom to remove all soap and contaminants. Dry your vehicle using the AMSOIL microfiber drying towel. And finish off your wash using the complete lineup of AMSOIL car care products.